Alright guys, this is a 2015 Volkswagen Jetta, and today we're going to be replacing the wiper blades. These are Rain-X style blades here, so we'll lift the wiper arm up. And you can see here this tab in the back. All you do is lift this up. And you can see once you pull it, it snaps right off and falls right off. And that's what the wiper arm looks like. Okay, here are the wiper blades I chose. These are silicone, so they're supposed to last longer than the traditional rubber wipers. But first, before we install them, we have to clean the windshield really well. So we'll use this. And first I use the glass cleaner, clean the windshield real well. And then we'll open this up. And this is kind of like a Rain-X water repellent. So we'll go over that and give it a quick buff and then install the blades. Okay, the driver's side is 24 inch. And the passenger side is a 19-inch wiper. Alright guys, I'm ready to get the wiper ready for install. So I pull the wiper out of the packaging, and we have all these adapters here. So what we're going to do is this big plastic chunk here, this whole thing is going to come off. Okay, so I remove this, throw that away. Take this little adapter here, it's letter M. What we're going to do is snap it in here. And then this part here will go right over top, like that. Okay, this is what it should look like when it's all complete. We're ready to install. Just snaps right on. Here we go. That's it. That completes the wiper change. Thanks for watching, guys.